In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add add-ons to Minecraft Pocket Edition. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the main ways in which you will be able to acquire add-ons on Minecraft Pocket Edition, aka Bedrock. So if you head over to these settings and you scroll down, you will find the Global Resources category. This is where you can manage the add-ons that you have currently. So for example, I have this texture pack. You can download add-ons manually and activate them through here, or if you want to, a very convenient way to get add-ons is to simply choose Get More Packs and then View More Packs. Now, of course, this is going to take you to the Minecraft store or the marketplace. This is where you can use your mine coins which you purchase for real money to get add-ons. But I assume most people will not want to spend money doing this, so I'm going to showcase how you can download add-ons manually instead of using the marketplace, but I still wanted to talk about that just in case. So the main way that you will acquire add-ons for Minecraft Pocket Edition is going to be through websites like MCPEDL. This isn't the only one where you can acquire add-ons, but it is a very popular one that most people go to. So you can browse through different add-ons, and all that you have to do here is choose a specific one, go all the way down, and you will find the downloads option all the way down at the bottom. Once you find the downloads, just choose the option to download. As you can see, it is an MC add-on file, so it's as simple as downloading and running this file. You can see the comments here according to what people have said about these add-ons, and once you find one that you want to use, like I said before, just choose it, go all the way down, and you will find the add-on available all the way down at the bottom. Once you have downloaded those MC pack or MC add-on files, it's as simple as opening them. So use a specific file manager. So I'm using File Manager Plus that you can find for free on the Play Store, but any file manager will do. Open those files that you downloaded, and usually you will get the option to open with Minecraft. So choose the option to open them, and it will open the game. So as you can see, the import will start and they will be imported into your installation of Minecraft. So now if you go to Global Resources and under My Packs, you will be able to initiate or activate them. Once you have activated a specific add-on or texture pack, it will load in instantly. So you can clearly see that I am using this bare bones texture pack. I hope I was able to help you on how to add add-ons in Minecraft Pocket Edition. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.